Ọ̀rọ̀ ní ṣókí láti Yoruba classroom. Preserving the originality of our languages. As much as it is easy for conversational purposes to adapt some English words and be like, oh, it's okay to call it this way, so far its meaning is not lost. You're taking away from the originality of the said word. If you want to say railway, don't say railway. As much as you feel like it's easy for the person to understand because it's an adaptation of the English word, that is not the Yoruba, for example, the Yoruba word for it. It's okojunrin. It is what it is. If we learn to say quadrilateral, multilingual, and all those big English words, they will learn how to say yours. Let's preserve a language and not take away from its originality. Teach people to say it the way it is originally meant to be said. Just like you will not want them to say your name wrongly. It's the same vein, it's the same energy. Thank you, and that is all for now.